Hi everyone, hello. Welcome everyone. I'm just setting up real quick. Okay, cool. So the agenda for today, right? Yeah, I was looking into this OpenGL stuff recently when I was porting EGL to Jai, EGL examples to Jai, and so there's this project called GLAD, which takes XML protocol descriptions and generates, I guess, I don't know, headers, bindings, whatever you call it, right? You kind of select the version, maybe extensions, like click generate, and you get a headers, right? Yeah. What's that? Yeah, and you get the headers. And I was thinking to maybe do something similar, to just take pure XML descriptions for OpenGL and in future for other protocols, and just generate Jai types from them. So yeah. Yeah, and that's literally it. What are in includes? KHR platform. Yeah, so that's gonna be my life today, and I really hope, I massively hope that I won't have to write my own XML parser for that. So GLAD generates all of those. Yeah, it kind of generates cross-platform definitions. I don't know if I will be doing that. I will maybe just YOLO it. But it seems like what it does is relatively straightforward, right? We just take some basis for the API version. What's that? Some windows. Yeah, and does it generate loader code? Yeah, it generates some code as well. So it generates free extensions, I assume. I make font slightly bigger. Kind of like, oh, no, that's not good. Oh yeah. GL get string. Right. So, what the fuck is this? It's just setting up. Oh. I see. So we just assign everything to null, and then we load it. Yeah. That's it. League of Lego Boy 99. Hello. What's my experience working with CEOs and managers? Well, I mean, I have some experience working with CEOs and managers, and I have experience working as a manager. Why are you asking? Load GL. Load this, load that. Core. Okay, I see. Major, minor. Get string, and then load. Okay. Working with CEOs, was it good or a bad experience? Mostly good. I off the top of my head, I can remember only one. So I remember two CEOs. With one of them, I just like dodged the bullet and didn't work at all because I immediately noticed that something's not right with him. And with another one, I didn't really have any choice, so I had to work with him, and it was a very bad experience. But I mean, he was fired later, so you know. I guess good riddance. So, but why are you asking? I wonder. Why are you asking? Do you have any questions, or you're just like interested, curious? I see. But yeah, the majority of my experience with CEOs is very positive. Okay. Yes. So and they GLW what? Yeah. Okay. I see. There are plugins for Glad. Yeah, so I don't know if I'm not gonna like try to compete with it, but what I want to do is to just take some XML directly from Kronos and write some code in Jai to parse this XML and output me some like Jai definitions for OpenGL so that it's kind of easier to load procedure pointers at runtime. Yeah. Rust EGL X11, what's that? CMake list. Yikes. Okay, Glad Glass. Kihal, hello, yeah, ew. Hey Nizar. So far, what are your feelings towards Jai compared with other industry language? My feelings are very positive. I enjoy it a lot. Okay, so this is like just this is just straight up usage code. Yeah. This is just straight up usage code. I see. I see. Okay. Where can we get some protocols? Chronos OpenGL. Can I get specification? Okay. I don't want PDFs, man. Can I like get XMLs? OpenGL spec XML. There you go. OpenGL registry XML. What do we have here? gl.xml and jlx.xml. What the fuck is jlx? Oh, it's like for X11. Yikes. Yeah, I see. I like how it's literally just straight up C inside of XML. Okay, so this is JLX, which is kinda... Yeah. Name value, namespace. Start and... Ooh, yeah. Wait, what? What does it mean unused? Okay, JLX, I'm not gonna like focus on JLX. Yeah, this directory contains OpenGL. JLX and WGL XML API registries. They're used to reserve enumerant ranges for vendors working on new extensions, to register extension interfaces, when extension is published, and to generate the Chronos supplied header files in /API. The canonical versions are always found in the master branch. Okay, so what's the deal with all this XML crap? Well, yeah, so I want to take this XML and generate GIA files out of it, so that I don't generate. Oh, so currently I have a binding generator for EGL. Here it is. And the way I do it is by, well, generating bindings from C headers, which is not very convenient. When instead I can just, you know, generate them directly from the source without having to load like a library and C headers. You know what I mean? And why am I so sleepy? Yeah. I know, very, very, very entertaining. Just incredibly entertaining. Oh, there's readme. Schema, nice. You prefer to code rather? Yeah. Maybe I should sleep instead, because I haven't slept that much lately. Mostly because I just kind of been on degen schedule. Like, I'm both on degen schedule, and I also have to work, full time. So I would go to bed at like 5 a.m., then wake up at 9, and just like live like that. Hey, XML, yes, oh, hey, I just called you XML, man. Hey, Leonte, yeah, some XML before bed. Yeah. What's that? This is the same readme, but no. Okay, let's open. Hey, Sumini, hello. Let's open this PDF on the site. And can I just open it a raw file? Yeah. Cool. Yeah, it's pretty. Yeah, I'm okay. I'm okay. Thank you. Okay. What's this gen headers? Is it just like canonical XML parser or what? PDB? What the fuck? Okay. Okay, yeah, I see. So, yeah, literally, these generate canonical C headers. It would really help me if I actually knew something about OpenGL before doing that. What are the tests? I just include shit and see if it blows up or what. Yeah. Hey, Marfus, hello. And there's also some reg.py. Oh, there you go. LXML. You know, the shit gets serious when they import LXML. For people who don't know, LXML is like very fast XML parser for Python. I mean, it's bindings for some native XML parser. But I think that was written specifically for Python. Feature-based generation options. But yeah, I see. Okay. Where is the code that parses XML? There you go. Element, registry content. Ooh, quite hairy. Okay. XPath is the one true XML parser. Is XPath the one written by that Roblox guy? Or not? No, it's libxpath. Okay, it's different one. Oh, it's the one that's very minimalistic, right? Is it the one that like just that doesn't even parse stuff into data structures. It just gives you like the cursor into XML3 and you kind of iterate over stuff while it's parsing it. Is it the one? Or no, or I'm thinking about something different. Doesn't look like it. Yeah, calls my callbacks while going through the document. XML Unicode. Nice kerning. Yeah, okay. I think someone in JBeta wrote an XML parser because I really... Oh, this is how it's called, stream-oriented. Stream-oriented. Yeah, so it doesn't parse, it doesn't give you like a nicely formatted data structure, it just like lets you parse it as it goes. Okay, I think we can start with that. Where are XMLs again? Here, gl.xml. Where is, where's glass? Or is it all here? Literally here. Glass. Okay, it's all here. So the entire OpenGL protocol is in this file, right? Just in case you want to get crazy. Oh, you have bindings to expat. Nice. Epic. Okay, we can do that if I won't find that the native one. Oh, and you have bindings to Wayland protocols. Are they kind of like from scratch stuff, or is it like bindings to lib Wayland? I see. Oh, Smarry XML. Yeah, I think I'm thinking about this one. I didn't start it. Yeah, so that's definitely it. Alright, so 2 days ago, I added readme and license file. Bindings to libwayland client plus protocol files generated. Okay, I see. Whew. I need to brace myself before diving into the beautiful world of XML. Jai Enterprise Edition, everyone. Ooh. Never thought I'd do that in my life. JXML, this is an XML parser and DOM handling library. Damn, that's fancy. Features and speed. Parses most well-formed XMLs correctly. Fails on certain rare type declarations. Doesn't handle encoding other than UTF-8 and ASCII. Except by accident. Hey, tool. Okay. I think you forgot about... Fuck, where's my mouse cursor? You forgot about this. Yeah, like that. If you want to ask what time is it in Serbia, in Serbia. I mean, what time is it in Russian in Serbia? That's very confusing. But it's 9:30. But I mean, it's grammatic. It wasn't correct grammatically, but it was perfectly understandable. So the tolerance for error is quite high in Russian. So stuff like that, while it's technically incorrect, it doesn't really affect my understanding of what you wanted to ask. Hey Rizoma, hello, welcome. Yeah, I can traverse XML hierarchy manually, callback based, and a for expansion. Let's go, we have for expansion. The for expansion allows you to run for on a node, and it will walk its children. Breadth is... Oh yeah, breadth is like attributes, and then children, then attributes of children, then attributes of... Yeah, okay, yeah. Sorry, I am a little bit slow, okay? Depth first callback walker will visit children in the reverse order of... I'm not interested in the depth first. BFD. Yes, BFG. BFD is big fucking DOM. Okay, we have XML parse from buffer and XML parse file. Node functions. Node allocate, node create, node free, node append, append new. What's that? What's... Ah, this is DOM manipulation. Not interested. BFS. Big fucking struct. Attribute iterators. Okay, yeah. XML walk breadth first. I think that's what we can do. Or for expansion with XML node and a body. Yeah, for expansion. So XML write. Apache license. Easy clap. Any examples? Thank you. Traverse boyfriend with callbacks. Okay. XML parse file. If result status not equals okay, print XML walk breadth first callback. Node type, node name, node attributes that count. Okay. What else do you have? Just traverse. All right, so here is the for expansion for node root. Type node attributes count. So we have an attributes, which I assume is an array of attributes. Yeah, I think that's what we're gonna do. Parsing into a struct, then doing BFD on it is pretty much the same as going. Yeah. I'm pretty sure it is. I just don't want callbacks, man. I was writing JavaScript today, so I'm literally done with callbacks. So what do we have here? Where do I put it? I have, like, in examples, maybe we have an OpenGL example here. Or maybe somewhere completely differently. So these they generate bindings, right? Maybe let me create like a completely different folder. I'll call it protocols, right? And here I'm gonna create like GL. Yeah, and here I will put my generated stuff. Here I will create a directory called modules for third-party dependencies, and I'm gonna literally steal XML there. What the fuck is this? Oh. Ideographic. Any ideographics in the chat? Yeah. I don't want to add submodules. Can I just straight up download it or something? They download zip. That's what I'm gonna do. Projects on Linux. Wait, no. This will mean that I will then push it, right? Yeah, I don't want to host my own. Okay, I guess we'll add in a submodule. Whatever. How do you add submodules on Git? I haven't done it in a while. Is it like git submodule init? Yeah, submodule add. Let's go. Submodule as path. Modules, yeah. Submodule name, yeah. Easy clap. Okay, a new file. Nice. Nice, and now I can pull submodules. Oh no, it actually just nice, okay. Yeah, I really like Magit, right? I totally forgot how to do submodules, but with this like transient UI, it's very easy to just refresh your memory. And the coolest thing is that you can always go do this. You can open Magit process and you can literally see what Git commands you need to execute to do it. So it's git submodule add -name blah blah blah. Then absorb digit dirs, whatever it is. What's the green theme? It's called EF Bio. Dwar Lord, hello, welcome. But I have a custom background that's slightly lighter than the default one. Okay. We have modules XML. You're welcome. Then we have so I used to have just one generate file that just generate bindings, but I guess I'm gonna rename it. Right, to maybe generate like bindings.jai. Yeah. And I'm gonna initiate. I'm so cooked. I'm gonna create another file that's gonna be called generate calls. Yeah. Initiate gamer protocol. Yeah. Import Jai XML. Yeah. Jai compile. Generate protocols.jai. Okay, it found the module. Nice. Now we get the big ass file, copy it. We go to protocols GL. We create a file that's called gl.xml. We paste that motherfucker. We are very surprised that Emacs didn't shut itself. I'm pretty sure if we were on Windows, Emacs would just straight up crashed or something. But yeah, apparently look at that. It can scroll almost without lagging. I kind of see like a little stutter here and there, but it's mostly all doing all right. I don't know how visible it is on the screen, on the stream. Very strange when I literally translated "Сколько сейчас время в Сербии." Does it sound weird in Russian? No, it's fine, right? It's fine. It sounds fine. Yeah, how much time? Yeah, we do that. How much time? We say that. It's like how much? Yeah, it's literally fine to say that. Long lines. Yes, Emacs really struggles with long lines, but it also struggles with the fontification. So there are two ways to color stuff in Emacs. One of them is, you know, quote unquote modern. That's called tree-sitter. Like there's a thing called tree-sitter. Other editors use it too, and you can highlight stuff through tree-sitter in Emacs. And there's also an old mode called like font lock. It's like old kind of regex based one. I mean, it doesn't really have to be regular expression based, but usually it is. And the majority of modes in Emacs are using that mode, and the fontification is really slow. Yeah, Emacs also struggles with opening files and editing text. True. Anyway, what do you have here? We have a huge ass XML file. And look at that. Even official specification has some stuff just straight up commented in the code. I wonder why. Is this something invalid? What the fuck is NURBS? This is geeks. What's that? Just some references. Oh, Mr. Coffee Lava, hello. Welcome to the stream. Welcome. I hope your stream today was nice, was fine and well. I lurked a little bit, but didn't have much time to interact. Is regex something human can decode? Only little ones. But I've heard that there are a special breed of people called Perl programmers who can not only decode any regular expression under the sun, they can also like think in regular expressions. It's literally their native language. Why do you need to edit text with your text editor when you instead can use that as your OS? Yes, this is true. Anyway, I don't think I need it to be opened at all times here, so I can close it at least here. We might inspect or I guess consult the schema, right? Yeah, type def unsigned int. It's gonna be fine, fun, gl enum. Yeah. So let's go to, you know what? Like I'm gonna paste or post this to my repo, and GitHub will think that Jai on Linux is an XML based repository. How does Glad avoids it? Huh. Glad avoids it by storing generated headers, right? So GitHub thinks it's a C repository. Even though main code is like in Python, right? And for C, yeah, there's like templates. Yeah, it has templates, like it's like Jinja templates that are, you know, Just commit the file with XML. True. So yeah, there are a bunch of files. Yeah, those are just templates, right? Yes, yes, templates. Look at that. Yeah, these are Ginger templates that are getting populated by the Python script. But where are XMLs files? Oh, here are XMLs. And I mean, they're kind of huge. Does maybe maybe GitHub just doesn't count those. Where did they get EGL XML? How is this? How is it different? Or not different. How is it separate from JLX? Did they just straight up split those? Because if I go here, I'm sorry for flashbang. Really sorry. We have OpenGL registry, and in XML file there's no EGL here. There's JLX, WGL, and just regular one. Some of my repos are assembly just because I include the disassembly of a C project. Nice one. Hey, Vanquish, hello. EGL.xml. Oh, it's a different repo. It's EGL registry. What the fuck? Right? So there's OpenGL registry and there's EGL registry. Huh? Why the fuck? Are there overlapping or not at all? Or okay, EGL surface, EGL attrib, EGL. So are those just no. Here are the methods. These types are just aliases for normal, like GL int, right? Aren't they? I'm pretty sure. The fuck is this? Extension. Extension. Everything's int if you're man enough. Yeah. If you have balls. The integer precision and floating mantissa are stored in the balls. What's the difference between command? Is command just a regular kind of enum and command? So I guess commands are kind of EGL version API. Ooh, okay, yeah, let's read the schema, shall we? I need some very heavy music for that. Otherwise, I'm just gonna like fall asleep and die right on the stream. Iker Casillas, just how good was he? This is what YouTube recommends me. Actually, I know what. I'm not gonna listen to Thunder Force OST. There's a cool artist called Fear of Dark. I'm just gonna listen to his playlists. Where are they? Playlists or maybe releases? Yeah, boy. Enums are defines and commands are functions. Cool. Thank you. I don't know how to pronounce your name. RCR. Twitch username or libc or standard libc function. How many pages there are? 2, 3, 9, 15, 17. Rich XML schema provides some additional information about using the Arkenstein, as in using Arch, by the way, and a set of Python 3 scripts to manipulate the XML based on the LXML Python bindings. Oh, look at this. Is it double space or am I tripping? It's literally double spaced. I mean, it's not really double spaced. It's just like, yeah. It's just like one of those formatting options that spread your text out by 2 borders. I forgot what it's called. Align wide or something. Yeah. Other APIs such as Vulkan or OpenXR use similar XML schema, regionally based schema. Alright, yeah, there you go. So GLX OpenGL 1.2 compatibility profile. OpenGL core profile. Compatibility profile. What the fuck is compatibility? GLES ES2, ES2X, GLAS3, GLX, GLXX, WGL, WGL extensions, and EGL still being worked on. What the fuck is compatibility profile? XML is not normative, only informative. Fuck. Kill me. Well, we'll see. And inspecting the files will be necessary if you want to repurpose the registry for reasons other than header generation, or to generate headers for languages other than C. Header generation script, registry XML schema. Okay, yeah, there you go. I'm trying to generate OpenGL files for Jai directly from XML, so that I don't have to generate them from C headers, right? Because C headers contain those stupid like puffn pointer to like those stupid structs, you know, names. I would rather just have a name of the function and then Jai type definition instead. Hey Zelda 2, hello on YouTube. LaTeX uses DP to figure out spacings. DP, you say? I see. Well, LaTeX. Ooh, you LaTeX. LaTeX. How do you pronounce it? LaTeX? LaTeX? Top-level registry contains types, enums, commands, feature, and extension tags describing the different elements of an API. As explained below. Yeah. Format relax ng. I don't know what can you find in XML that's relaxing? You have to be some like peak enterprise boomer to name anything that's related to XML relax. What's that registry that RNC? Oh, against which they can be validated. This word. Latex. Okay. Latex. All right. Types and enumerants. API names. Several tags use a API attribute. Better than YAML? I mean, yeah, I guess it's better than YAML. That's true. But I mean, that's a very, very low bar to overcome, okay? I can't imagine a format that's worse than YAML. Like, literally nothing comes to mind. I actually know ALSA config files are literally worse than YAML. Hey, Valeni. So indeed, yeah, true. String can be, but is not necessarily an actual API name, of course. Okay, registry contains the entire definition of one or more APIs. So we have like registry, let's check. Registry, oh, it's literally like top level tag, right? Oh yeah, so it's literally one top level registry. The entire definition, okay. I mean, yeah, that's what you would do in C, just you use like C macro to generate what you use. Yeah. GLU short. Yikes. Python script that lets you query the XML, ask us it stuff like which enums are in this group, which extension versions introduced, deprecated this name. Holy shit. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, I might look at it, but I just, as a meme, I'm really sorry for this yawning, but yeah, you can please empathize with me. I'm reading XML specification. Yeah, I might look at it, of course, but I'll probably just iterate over attributes and just dump them into JI file. But yeah, sure, you can link it. Feel free. Cool. Damn, look at that self-hosted Git instance. Like cgit. It's not. Is this cgit or something else? Okay. Contents, blah blah blah. Arbitrary text, copyright statement unused. Do you have comments? Yeah, here you go. Literally one in the entire file. Cool. Types, C section 5. Oh shit, it's clickable. Defines API types. Usually only one tag is used. The type stack contains individual type. Each type tag contains legal C code with attributes or embedded tags denoting the type name. There you go. So you have type, KHR platform, include KHR platform. Nice type, bro. Very nice type. I mean, actually, KHR platform is a real header, right? So, nvim like test.c and KHR platform.h, right? And we can go to this header, and there you go. Yeah. It will, what does it even do? Ah, yeah, just type devs a bunch of files, right? Yeah, type dev chronos, blah, blah, blah. Yeah. Just type devs a bunch of files. I think that's all it does. And there it is, right? Yeah, name KHR platform. And it's like requires KHR platform. Wait, but where does it do this? Int 32t, for example, int 32t. Oh, is this just... Wait a second. Is it just straight up laying somewhere here? Where do you get KHR platform? Registry? API? GL? These are just like generated, right? Yeah, these are already generated. Where does KHR platform comes from? Excuse me. Hey, PHP, look at that, look at that. Привет, что за проект? Даже собаки лучше меня, крутой никнейм. Проект — это мы берем протокольчики OpenGL и их генерируем в Jai. Да. Парсим XML и генерируем типы, которые потом можно будет загружать. But yeah, I just explained what we were doing. Where does KHR... I want to know where does this header come from. I don't want to just blindly do shit. Where does KHR platform come from? Okay, that H. So is it like just, you know, here's the header? You would know, huh? Thank you for the good luck. Thank you, thank you. KHR platform header. Okay, so this header is literally just hard-coded, predefined, right? So it's not like a part of their XMLs, it's just something they distribute. Do I understand it correctly? Can I find it somewhere in the repos? Like, I think it's... KHR platform, not here. It's literally not on their GitHub. Where is it? KHR platform.h. It's on their OnlyFans, yeah. Oh, master copy of... okay. Master copy of KShare platform.h is maintained in the Kronos EGL registry. Why EGL? Why there? Specs? API? These are those RNK files. KHR. Yeah, there you go. There you go. The master file. Poggy. So I guess this one we can provide bindings for. Although, like, it's better to just like write a mapping that, yeah, just, this is so stupid. I know why they have to do it. I know why they have to do it, but it's so dumb. Anyway, okay. Where's this thing? Yeah, type describes blah blah blah. Legal C code and the name. So the type itself, right, is just a C code, and this is the name. Cool. So we can start generating types and just see what we do. So yeah, let's finally write some fucking code. I fucking like writing fucking code. Fucking generate fucking protocols. Where's XML? Where's the example? Example. Give me example. Traverse, right? So XML parse file. Root result equals to XML parse file, and file is gonna be let me do import system. Actually no, it's just like fucking over engineering. I'm sorry if I over engineer shit, but I wrote some JavaScript today, and naturally I'm in that, you know, kind of over engineering everything mood. So I'm gonna write some stupid code here. GL protocols path equals to like protocols gl.xml. GL pro dude, can I, yeah, type not okay, result status not equals ok. Problem with XML file. Nice. So for node root, let's print node type, node name. We're not gonna do this. We're gonna do if node dot so wait, what the fuck is the type of the node? Type name. Ah, so we only have name, right? So we only have name. If node dot name equals to case let's do type. Print note that like it's content or what? Jai XML module node XML node parse result XML node. Oh, it's not here. Where's the here? Okay, XML node type. Ah, there you go. Yeah. I don't care about this. So it's element. XML, okay, there you go. Name, value, yeah. Print type is node.value. Yeah. Do we compile? We do not compile because we need this. Awk. What? It's .awk. Okay, we compile. Let's actually run it and generate protocols. Type is nothing. We don't have a type. What the fuck? Type is XML node type, which is empty document element. Name and val. Ah, it probably doesn't have name, so let's do. Wait. We have name type. I thought this is the value, is it not? Let's just print node. Ooh. Let's just straight up print the node itself. I hope it's not a pointer. It was a pointer. Naturally, it was a pointer. So I need to dereference it. Ooh, so node is type element, name type, value nothing, parent, first child. Why is there no value? Concerning. We have attributes though, but not always. Is it bugged? Did we literally download a bugged XML library? Hey, bye Arizona, thanks for stopping by. Have a nice, I guess, evening. What are flags? Empty, no children. So this doesn't get populated. I think. Yeah. I mean, it can't be children, right? Surely this should be a value, right? Okay, let's do it's not a children. What was it? First child. If node first child type def. Oh, it is a child. Holy shit. Type def int. Type def double. Huh. Interesting. So let's go at the start and we'll look, yeah, value is this. So first children, type def unsigned int. We have type def unsigned int. And then this shit has sibling, right? Yeah. Else, let's print childless node. Node.star. There's like childless node, type, element type, no value. And no, so it has both no value and no first child. How is that even possible? No child, no value. True. So it means that it literally just like type there's some API entry here. These are proc types, right? Right. Let's go. At the end. So we have this, you see? Something that's like literally GL byte. Okay, I see. So these are in require, right? Yeah, okay. Okay, I see. So it's just literally, we have an extension. It requires these types and these commands. So these are childless and valueless types. Okay. So this means that we need to like traverse into types, kind of, right? Yeah, so if case types, right? Then I'm gonna log the stuff versing down into types. And we will call something like get types. And we'll do pass node. Yeah. And we have like get types. Node is gonna be XML node. Look at this enterprise code. Holy shit. Wait, actually, I'm gonna traverse, like this iterator will traverse automatically. Is like a way to skip, to like straight up skip it, I wonder. Right, so if I go back and there's like depth first. Maybe I need depth first instead. Actually, no, I need So I get type, I get children, which will be name. First child is name, second one, first child will be type, second one will be name, and yeah, that's it. Yeah, so I guess I need actually depth first. Or if I do breadth first, I'm gonna parse all types. I can actually get types and then traverse instead, inside. Yeah. So I should probably... Yeah, I need some kind of a way to like bail out of going like further than I need. For now, I'll just do if node equals name, like case types, I just traverse, and like case kinds, right? So we get types, then kinds, I just bail out. Right, I just break, yeah. Yeah, and let's see what it will give me. So instead of getting this, I'm just literally gonna print that traverse the J. Type name. So I'm gonna do print like it's gonna be node name. Yeah, what are we gonna get? Case types. Oh yeah, yeah, so that's what breadth first means. So I get types, then I get kinds, and I instantly kind of bail out. Yeah, so I can do like a nested iterations, iterators or something. Or I can do instead depth first. df, yeah. Parse and then XML walk depth first. All right, so let's just do this instead. Root, and my callback is, I mean, just parse something. What does it accept? Just node. Doesn't really return anything, and I'll just get that, paste here, delete this. I didn't want to do callbacks, but I guess we'll do callbacks. Yeah. Instead of break, we'll just do return. And here, oh, steal. What the fuck? What the fuck? Should I return? No. Why did I just... Yeah, this... Oh. Yeah, it's because... Okay. Case types... I do this, like, case, yeah, return. because I just don't do anything else. Case type. Let's do that. Remove this. We'll just get that. Yeah. There you go. Here we have our shit. Yeah. I just might write my own walk function. So we get types, kind of. These are dependencies GL types required to be declared legally. Cool. Where's the comment? Oh shit, we even have this? We even have a comment node. That's kind of crazy. Yeah. Right, so I need like my own state. Or rather, case type, case types. So if we do if node.parent, right, that name not equals types, then we just return. Yeah, and we will not have childless ones. Or no, not childless, like the one, yeah, valueless. Here we don't have. Cool. Yeah. What's that? Yeah, this is really weird. Like the fact that they just straight up insert like C in their XML. Kind of really stupid, if you ask me. And type is PC data. What the fuck is this? Why did it recognize it as PC data? Huh. API entry. The fuck is API entry? Yeah, I know, but why does it recognize some of them as normal text, like as value? So basically, it recognizes some of the types as elements, and some of them as API entry, as PC data, I mean. Well, let me look at the output again. Yeah, type. Oh, it's the child. Sorry. Yeah, it's not the node itself. It's child. Yeah, okay. Child is PC data, which is regular text. Yeah. That makes sense. Okay. Cool. I'm gonna do a quick bathroom break, and I'll be right back. Also, hey Nanometer. Your name blends in with my chat. It was very hard to recognize you. Bap, bap. Ooh. Right, so we get types, we traverse into type, right? I'm thinking how to like better organize it. Or maybe I should just straight up skip types. But it has like callbacks. So what I think I'm gonna do is like I'm getting types. I'll probably like record it somewhere, like have my own state. Instead of looking at the parents every time, which I really don't want to do. I'll probably just look at, I'll probably just record the current state, like, okay, we are into types. Like, let's traverse here. Then, yeah, we check the type. Is this a type? If it's a type, then we do that. Like, traverse, like, parse type. You know what I need? I just realized I just don't need any kind of baked-in walker that will just parse stuff. I'll just literally do my own. Which also means that I might not even need maybe I shouldn't even use this library altogether, right? I should just use expat. But yeah, whatever, it's fine. So I have root. Yeah, I get like root is registry. All right, let's print it. Root.star. Wow, what the fuck? Let's do that. Oh, it's type document. First child. Yeah, so let's do assert root.type equals dot document. Oh, it's like that. Level root. Nice. Then root first child. This is gonna be type declaration. Root like first child next sibling, right? This is gonna be register. Okay, yeah. Like registry equals to assert registry dot name equals registry expected string got yeah, and this should be like that. Cool. You can either parse XML yourself or parse the parser. Rings a classic Casey Bell. Yeah, I mean, I parsed XML and then I woke it myself, And the next logical level will be to make my own XML parser. So here I'm gonna parse XML, but I'm walking it myself, knowing the structure. Yeah, we get the registry now. Yeah, so we need like, ooh, dude. We need to print. I think it's just reference to Casey doing a lot of things from scratch. I think that's basically all there is to it. So we do registry dot first child and next sibling. I think that's how it looks like. Selection G typed. Oh, wait. Oh, it's a fucking comment. First child, right? And then we do like types is pointer to XML node, and while equals to registry, yeah, while types name not equals to types, we'll do like types equal types dot registry first child types equals next sibling, and at the end I think we should get it. Yeah. Hell yeah, we got types. XML is too complicated. It was never intended to walk it yourself. You're supposed to use DTD to generate. Yikes. And now everybody, just literally everyone are walking XML manually. I mean, if you want to do something with it, right? So we get types. Cool. Finally, we got the types section. So after types, we get enums. Ooh. Memory barrier mask. Type bit mask. Buffer bit qcom. Cool. What's that? This is like some kind of different vendors and NV. NV is NVIDIA or what? Terminate sequence command and NV. Damn. Vendor Intel. Yeah. Vendor ARB. Okay, this is like actual OpenGL, right? Yeah. What the fuck is... So this is the name of enum. Actually, not really. Type O. The default API enum namespace starts here. Yeah. And different parts of the namespace are reserved for different purposes. It is a single namespace. The class attribute indicates some of the reserved purposes, but is by no means complete and cannot be, since many tokens are reused for different... Maybe, you know, generating OpenGL from C headers is not that bad of an idea. All right. Yeah, anyway, so we have types. Right, now we need to iterate. Yeah, children, sibling. Yeah, so type equals to types first child. Now we do while XML just ahead of its time. Checking that the programming is required to use it properly. Yeah, true. Absolutely. While types next sibling, not types, type next sibling. So what we'll do here is, for now we'll just, I guess, print shit, right? So what are we going to do? Like type def, all of that is type defs. Let's just call it type def. Type def is type dot first child that value. I guess it's type first child, and then name is type dot first child dot next sibling. Or I guess we can do type def dot next sibling. Yeah, and then it's what semicolon that we literally don't care about. Hey Puka, it's going well. It is going, and now let's just print it. Type def like that and semicolon. So type def that value and name that value. And what are we gonna get? All right, we're gonna get a seg fault. The program crashed because it tried to... Wait. Type equals type dot next sibling. Yeah. Fuck, still. Wait, what the fuck? We have type first child, while next sibling, we get first child. Name, and I couldn't even print anything, right? The program crashed because it tried to write to or read from an invalid memory location. Huh. That's interesting. So let's print type def. Let's dereference this motherfucker. Oh, the first child was literally... What? Ah, fuck me, this is fucking... this is a fucking comment. So we'll do this, defer, and if type what's the type? Was parent, first child, attribute, flags. Yeah, XML node type. Where's the comment? Yeah, comment. Or rather, if type dot name not equals type. Yeah, we just continue. Yeah, I think that's what we do. Huh. Did it like defer not happened or what? Type equals type next sibling. Wait. So we get the sibling, then we get next sibling. What the fuck? Okay, let's print this motherfucker. Sure. Yeah. Yes. Thank you. I always fuck this up. Like literally always fuck this up. I always fuck up the order of my defer. Like it on streams alone, it probably happened like 5 times already. Thank you. I'm almost done implementing all the logic for my text editor. Just need to add. Holy shit, that's crazy. You're gonna have your own text editor. That's pretty cool. Type PC data. Name value. Okay, we have something. So we have like a include whatever. I think this one just doesn't have a name, right? Yeah, it has like a weird ass header. And it doesn't have a name. Spent like 1 hour implementing the backspace for all scenarios. Yeah, debuggers are very helpful for situations like that. I mean, if you implement like pure text logic in isolation, you know, unit testing it and stuff, you know, like TDD even, like, you know, God, please forgive me, but this is probably a good kind of, you know, use case where you just have a procedure that accepts some kind of text and returns you the result after you press backspace, you know, once, like delete by word or something. It's easy to test it in isolation. But it's very annoying to write those, especially when your API is in flux and you're just experimenting and throwing the shit around. So we print the type def and then we go the next sibling, and if not name, then we continue, right? It's a special case for the very first type includes kchar platform.h header. Yeah, now we get our types. Let's go. Easy clap. And also, yeah, type def void something. So we can remove that. Just look at it. Look at this. Type def unsigned int. Oh, there's no name value. Oh, I guess there's name, first child. Fucking XML, it's so deeply nested. Yeah, there you go. We have them all, other than the at the end where it starts. Where is it? where it starts spitting those functions. Yeah, here. So we kind of get type def. Then this one is some kind of like API entry. What the fuck is this? We can just skip it, I think. Yeah. So we get name. If not name, we can. It's not really name. Yeah, I mean maybe, but what the fuck is GL debug proc arb? Ah, this is the name, okay. And then there's another thing like this. Procedure, API entry. What is an API entry? Literally nothing. So it's the only, you know, mention. What does PDF say about API entry? Okay, API entry. Insert a platform calling convention macro during header generation. Damn. You really spend some time on this shit, right? There is a meme. It's a very popular meme in Russia. I don't know if open image in a new tab. Yeah, let me show you. There you go. I don't know if there's like any Russian speaking people in the chat right now, but yeah, this is a very famous meme here, and it says, yeah, I mean, it says, I saw some shit. It's like a very scuffed way to write, like, I've been through a lot. And this is like Hedwig from PlayStation 1 version of Harry Potter. I think it's like Harry Potter and Sorcerer's Stone in PlayStation or something. Yeah. Okay. API entries. So we need something more sophisticated here, right? We do the type def, which is the first sibling. I think it's always type def, right? Yeah. GLPTR. Insane. The macro for C bindings is literally called API entry. And that name is common in other libraries. Yeah, I see. Okay. Fucking XML, man. Yeah, that's fine. Node is childless node. Okay, yeah. I don't need all of that. I can literally remove this as of now. So we get type def. Now we get next child, I guess sibling equals to that if sibling dot type equals to right, so what do we have here? Right, case element. I mean, it's always element, isn't it? Yeah, it's always like element. But it's either API entry or name. Yeah, so yeah, it's literally that. So instead of testing this, we would do if sibling dot name equals to, right? So case API entry, then we do something, right? And case name, then we do this. And this is gonna be not name, this is gonna be sibling next sibling. If sibling, we continue. And this is our comment. Let's remove that. Yeah, case this would just do that. Case API entry, we XML, yeah. Hey, machine code, yeah. Exactly. Fucking XML. Yeah. Case API entry, this is function pointer. We just skip it. We do sibling. Yeah, I think I'll just do that. So equals next sibling. I mean, this is where I kind of, this is where I can kind of start walking into it like depth first or something. Just until I get the text or whatnot. Yeah, and next sibling. Ooh. Yeah, I think I can use XML walk depth first, and what do we accept, like sibling? Oh, this is actually kind of interesting, right? So it accepts a callback here, but what I just thought of is to pass some kind of a user data, right? So for example, pass a string builder so that I can append all of the, like this string, like this string, and then this string into that builder. But there is no such thing in the API. So it means that I need to put it on a context or something. API entry comes after the return. Type def void. Yeah, it does. I see what you mean. You mean that I skipped over a part here, right? Did I? No, I got the type def. So this is like type def. And then there's gonna be API entry. So what I can do is start introducing some kind of like intermediate structs, right? So this is gonna be something like raw type, right? And it's gonna be a struct that's gonna have type def, which is string. Right, and then it's gonna have API entry, which is like gonna be Boolean, and then it's gonna have like what? Like other text, right? String. Yeah, and so API entry is so that we can insert call at the end. Yeah. And so here we're gonna parse the type. right? So other text, and I guess instead of like doing other text, I can do something like yeah, type def, other text, and I can have like builder, string builder. Yeah. So type def will have this part, kind of. Then the string builder itself, I think, will have maybe everything else. Maybe just like straight up everything. Like what do we have here? We have type def, then API entry, then what's that? It's like a star, which is just like a pointer. Then some kind of pointer to proc. Ah, yeah, it's a cast. It's a C cast to GL debug proc, right? And this is the name of the type. So this is gonna be its name. GL debug proc. Name of the type, I guess. And excuse me. And it's and the parameters that it accepts. And in order to generate like JI types out of it, I will need to parse this as a raw string. This is so fucking dumb, man. Couldn't they like, I don't know, make it slightly more maybe structured? Like, what's the point in using XML if you just like straight up dump fucking C into it? What's the point? I don't understand. Hey Kuj, hello. I don't want to parse this bullshit. Because, I mean, this literally look pointless. Because it's like, you know, the whole point of XML is that it's structured, but they literally just fucking dumped C into it. Is this like the only section of it that's like that? Is everything else fine? Maybe like enums are fine. Maybe everything else is okay. Because I don't want to parse XML just to parse C that I got out of XML. What the fuck? So we have some kind of enums. Enums seems like that's what I expect, right? You have enum name and you have value. That's all you need to do. All you need to have. What the fuck? Comments. Yeah, these kind of look fine. This looks structured enough. Namespace GL start and vendor arb. Oh, I accidentally did an oopsie. So enums. Let me go by the paragraphs. Still enums. So these are enums. Enums. Okay, what's that? No, still enums. There's sure. I want to go all the way down to the. Oh yeah, there you go. Yeah, commands. Okay, so we have a prototype which is void, right? And then name. Nice. Then we have params. Group, kind, p type. I guess it's a pointer type, or it's parameter type, and name. This is fine. This is what, like, this looks human. That's what I wanted to kind of see. I don't know what group is, but yeah. Test mode mask ATI. ATI is an OG like Radeon stuff or what? Yeah, these look totally fine. Excuse me. All right. GL bind texture ext. Is there anything else like unhuman? Just convenience in the XML. I see, I see. And yeah, they say that in the comment at the very start that that it is technically the same namespace. Like this is fine. What is feature? What is a feature? API. Ah, okay, it's version. Right. 4.5. 4. Okay, yeah, so feature is an API version. And here's like name of the command that is added for the version, Okay. And more enums. Ah, okay, so it's API, so glass version, this requires such and such. And I pressed middle mouse button. And I did that again. I need new mouse. My mouse wheel just kind of dies. Okay, we have another glass. What's that? It is a command that required. We have glass 2. Texture 31. OpenGL, another glass. And these are extensions. Yeah, this is fine. Like, this is relatively structured. I can clearly see how to parse this bullshit. Right? What else do we have? More extensions. Yeah, I mean, so what I'm getting here is that these ones, I just literally manually type. Yeah, I mean, I know. Hey, comrade, I know what GLAD is. That's kind of the point of my inspiration. Yeah, I want to do something kind of like GLAD. Something similar to GLAD. Yeah. So what I'm thinking is that I just do these manually types, because I mean this is garbage. This is unparsable. And then I parse actually, you know, actually parsable information. What's that? What are kinds? Buffer size, vectors, okay. Vector 4. Attrib masks. Name. Like I can parse something like that into How's Jai so far? Hey Mrolix, Jai is cool. Jai released no joke? I don't know. Did it? Yeah. Jai is cool, but XML is not cool. I'm already like super fried. Enterprise edition, yeah, because XML. Yeah, so I will just, yeah, I decided these will get handled manually. So I literally just skip over types. Yeah, there you go. Because, you know, the line must be drawn here and all that. Registry types while name not equals kinds. Yeah. Yeah. GL type definitions. Vendor extension types. What's that? And these are vendor extension types. GL debug proc AMD. Yeah. Oof. Uff. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna literally copy that. If def apple. Huh. And copy it. Go here, like where do I, like protocols, GL, XML, and I'll create, how do I call it? Like type defs. Type defs.jai, right? Yeah, and these are the type defs at the start of the gl.xml file. They are translated by hand because they are just C code embedded into that XML file, not really structured, or not structured at all. Yeah. Right. So all we do is this. And we can get rid of, yeah, I guess of type, tag, and we can do this gl enum, like double colon, unsigned int. Unsigned int is u32, right? Unsigned char is u8. GL bit field, unsigned int, u32. I know it's very entertaining and exciting. Is there a setting you have enabled to make your cursor move faster when you hold down up button? Yes, I increased my repeat rate and decreased my delay, so I can do this very fast. I mean, this is literally C code, right? GL void is void. We can get, like, we can even get comment. right? Ugh. So what we can do here is we can like, I think we can do that, align regexp by space, right? And can we do that again? By, yeah, like that. Then we can do this, we can cut that, go here, paste it. So we can be a little bit more optimal, right? Kind of like that, right? And int 8. So S8, ubyte is U8, int 16 is S16, and U short is U16. So slightly more optimal than just doing it. GL int. It's like literally S32. uint. df type. U32. Clamp X. Holy shit. This is S32. Size I, also S32. We can even make them distinct, you know. Yeah, it really makes you appreciate the human types. For sure. Chronos float T. So this is float 32. Right. And these are two clump. GL double. Double is float 64, right? Is double 64-bit? C double size 8 bytes. Okay, yeah, it's 64-bit. Yeah, nice. Never know with C types. %99% of modern GPU don't use it, of course. So, and this is what GL client buffer ext. So it's void pointer. Also void pointer. GL char. This is S8. GL char arb. S8. GL handle arb. So if OS equals that, I think macOS, right? Yeah, that's right. Then we do this, right? Unsigned int, so U32, GL handle. Wait, what? Ah, else. Okay, I see. So U32 on all platforms, right? But on Apple, it's gonna be void pointer. Yeah. Yeah, like that. The significance of char technically is undefined. Yeah, I mean, nothing is in C defined, so you don't have to like... Yeah. So what's that? This, let me align it like that. Right, then we do this. Holy shit, what the fuck did I just do? Put it back. Yeah. Okay, that's good enough. uint 16. We remove that. We do this. And like that, and also what? Yeah, like that. Cool. And uint 16 u16, uint 16 u16, int 32 s32, int ptr. Int ptr is s64. Int ptr s64. S size is u64. S size, wait, also s64. S64, 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 and U64, and U64. I hope I didn't mess it up. Really hope I didn't mess it up. PTR pointers? Are they? I thought it's just like a number that is able to hold shit. No? No? I mean, I don't know C. Int ptr, like T. The primary reason you cannot do bitwise operator... Bruh. Int ptrt. Integer type wide enough to hold a pointer. Signed integer type such as any valid value can be converted to this type and then converted back. Any valid value can be converted to this type and then oh, so it's a pointer. OpenGL type. Oh, yeah. So bit depth. Must be large enough to store. So I mean, it's technically they are not pointers, right? They're technically they are like regular numbers. I wonder what are they in Jai, right? So if I go to core, yeah, you see like, yeah, also just numbers. GL size ptr arb. It isn't actually S64. Yeah, you see. Interesting that GL char is S6, but they are U6 here. GL char. Yeah, I mean it's probably whatever. Yeah. Yeah. Int PTR. I mean, yeah, I don't really. No, yeah, sure, no one will use it. Absolutely no one. For sure. Yeah. That's exactly what's gonna happen. OpenGL never dies. Now we have some kind of a struct. Look at this. GL sync. We have a whole ass struct on our hands. GL sync struct. Wait, what? Pointer to GL. What the fuck? How do you read that? So it's literally just some opaque crap. Right? Yeah. And CL context. Compatible with OpenGL CL context. So I guess also like CL context is gonna be something like that. And right. And now we have these vendors. No, vendor specifics are those. So we have type def void API entry. Let me remove that. Oh. Right, this. So that I can see all the type without. Yeah. So there you go. Type def void API entry something pointer equals to. So it's like GL debug proc. So it's like type in GI terms. And that accepts these, right? Type ID. Let me space it out correctly. Severity. Const GL char message. Message is a pointer to GL char. And void pointer user param. Yeah, there you go. Oh wait. No, it's all right. Type def proc. So void means they don't return anything. Pointer to empty struct. Yeah, it is. It's like a little trick to add a bit of type safety. Yeah, this is true. So you don't just return integers, right? Like s, like long or whatever it is. So you just have some kind of a separate struct, a separate type you can pass to and on from procedures that work on it. It's a kind of common pattern that you can see in Win32 API, but they have handles, which are actually just integers, right? You can see it in a lot of Linux APIs like libinput, Wayland stuff. X11 uses that too. So yeah, you just have like an empty struct, which is like this struct actually exists somewhere in a C file, but in the header file, its fields are not specified. And so you can, for example, change the struct structure without having to like recompile and redeploy your binaries. And you can pass it into procedures in a more kind of type-safe way, so that C will complain if you pass like a regular integer or whatever. GL debug proc, yeah. Are these the same? They're literally the same, right? Source, type, ID, severity, length, message. Yeah, it's literally the same shit. ARP and kchar. These are like those like 3-tier kind of structure of how OpenGL like canonizes its protocols, right? You first add it as arb, so it's kind of like extended something something. Then you like add it as kchar, and then you alias as a regular one, right? Because I remember there was something like EGL like displayed like ext, then there's something like arb, and then there's something like that. I vaguely recall it. I mean, I can just do this. I'll just do that. Vendor extension types. Same ID. Oh, it has category. Yeah. Ooh. What are those vendor specific? Do I need vendor specific? Probably not. I mean, I can do them for like clarity. Vendor extension types. Yeah. Do you have GL debug proc AMD? Type def void. Right. This category severity size I const char message pointer to U8. Right. And this is a type. So it's not like, it's not an actual procedure, it's a type of procedure. Yeah. Type def unsigned short. Unsigned short is EU16, right? Ooh. If I recall correctly. Type def. And another one, we have GL Vulkan proc, and what the fuck? Is this some kind of a bridge? What does it even do? It's just like nothing, right? Is it literally it? Because, I mean, this means that it doesn't accept anything. It's not a void pointer, right? It's just this. This is how I spend my evenings. Yes, I am very interesting person. I have very exciting life. Yeah, but this sets me up nicely for very nicely for actually parsing XML. I don't even know if I want to parse XMLs on stream because this is such a fucking boring content, and I literally feel bad for having people to like watch me parsing this XML shit. I would rather like showcase something actually interesting than this. I can tell my dates, yeah. I'm out of dating market for a long time. Partially because I'm parsing XMLs. Yeah, so I don't need that. Kinds, what are kinds? Let me just read kinds. There are no kinds. There are literally no kinds. So, contents of the registry, comment, types, groups, enums, commands, feature, extensions. No mention about kinds whatsoever. Absolutely no mention. Right? It's even used somewhere. What's that? Like it's used somewhere? What the fuck? Kind color. Is it just like, you know, kind of, like, you know, just FIY, right? So parameter of a kind, blah. So like I can use this to, I know, like enforce some more typing. Maybe. Like clamped 01. Right, so for example, if my like programming language supports this on the like on a type def level, I can somehow enforce this param. Right. Like it's like a float, but it should be clamped between 0 and 1. Right? Like this is float, but it's actually a color. Like it means color. So you can maybe use like a, you know, you can imagine having a wrapper function that instead of accepting 4 floats, like in Java, would accept vector 4 instead. And some kind of a macro that asserts that these are in fact clamped, you know. So you can imagine that. I guess that's what they're for, you know, just like an additional type safety. Yeah, and the correctness of categorization are very far. Yeah, that's this is a very fair point. When you work with C, I watched John's VOD from yesterday when he was reading raw inputs from gamepads, and Microsoft uses uint for like bit flags, right? For enum flags, and there was like a funny enum that was using uints, but its value was -1. Yep. Like an unsigned integer with in MSDN it says value is -1. So like you can imagine that it's like 0, then it's like whatever, 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 and like 0, right? Right? Microsoft, yeah. Yeah, people, I'm not gonna lie, I'm very cooked and discouraged. I don't even think that doing that by hand is that good of doing all of this is that good of an idea after all. Maybe I should just, you know, don't do it. Unsigned one is, oh, it's all ones. But why is that? Damn, I didn't know. I thought it's just literally one with the very first bit set. I didn't know that it's all of them set. Interesting. Because negative numbers are 2's complement. Ah, it's so just to say that it wraps. I see. Okay. Okay. All right. I mean, I'm just an innocent web developer. What do you want from me, right? I don't think Python will show me that, right? Yeah, Python literally won't show me that. Bin -1. Thank you very much. Very nice. Fucking Python, man. Yeah. I see why. So calling it -1 is kind of just a human readable shorthand, right? Right. So it's like it's just like a human readable shorthand. I see. I'm very bad at stuff like that. When I do it a little bit more, I get better, but then I spend like a couple weeks without doing any like bitwise math, and I'm bad at it again. But yeah, I think parsing enums is relatively easy, right? It's literally just like a name and a value. And there you go. And there are a few, yeah, again, bits and bits xed, right? Memory barrier mask. So, yeah, so you can just literally OR them together. And these are, yeah, like how do you call it, aliases to each other. All right. Yeah, I mean, I would probably do shit like that. Like, oh, Emacs syntax highlighting broke. Very nice. Wait. Yeah, it's just sometimes fontification just breaks in Emacs, and you need to like restart the modes. It's fine. It's just Emacs. What can you do about it, right? But yeah, it's almost midnight. I haven't slept that much. I feel like I'm literally dying right now. So I'll probably send you over somewhere. B3 days. Spyro 4A is doing stuff. But I don't think there's anyone else. At least none of the people I follow. I can rate TDD, Java, Spring Boot guy because, you know, we were parsing XMLs and it seems fitting. But yeah, I'm reading Spherophoria. Be nice, say hi, and yeah, thanks a lot for watching. Here's my shield links. I I swear to God, I don't parse XMLs every day. Sometimes we actually do something interesting. And Discord is very post-stream notifications. Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Hopefully I'm gonna stream tomorrow if I'm not too tired. And yeah, bye everyone. Bye bye.